Today, everyone and his aunt takes photo with a smartphone. And we could say that all of us are photographers. But then I think the word loses some of its meaning. Hi and welcome to my photo studio. My name is Urban Anjar and I've been a photographer for about 50 years. From the beginning, of course, analog photography, film, darkroom, chemicals and stuff like that. Nowadays, mostly digital. This is my photo studio, but I also shoot a lot outside and in different other locations. What I do most is reportage, portraits and still life. But you can see in the end, I'll show some of my pictures and sometimes I collect my pictures and print a zine which I sell. You see some of my pictures in the end. Well, I live on Öland, an island in the Baltic Sea in the southeastern part of Sweden. I'm thinking of starting a course here in English called Photography 101. So please subscribe so you don't miss out. Today I'm going to talk about who is a photographer. Everyone and his aunt takes photos with a smartphone. And we could say that all of us are photographers. But then I think the word loses some of its meaning. Some think their photos are great and go on, try to learn more. And some feel their pictures suck and draw the same conclusion. They have to learn more. And photography becomes a hobby, a lifestyle, an obsession. Maybe your pile of photo books grow, so you have to find a space in your bookshelf for them. Maybe you begin to visit exhibitions, see what other photographers have done to get some inspiration. And you're here, in the beginning of a course. You're trying to learn some more. And maybe you also go to places where you can meet other photographers to learn together. And that's a rather good idea. Probably you get an actual camera and a lens. That's a good thing to have. And maybe you get more lenses. You begin planning for photography when you're planning a travel. Where can I shoot? Where can I see an interesting exhibition? Is there anywhere I can shop for photo gear? If you tick some of those boxes, you are a photographer. Of course, some of us are beginners, others are more experienced. And the path from beginner to experience has its ups and downs. I will talk about that in another part. But we think and we try to improve and we try to learn something of what we have done and we try to make photos, not take photos. Most photographers are amateurs. That means lovers. Some photographers are professional. To begin with, they are at least decent photographers, but then they have to learn a lot of marketing and investment calculations and bookkeeping and financial statements and everything like that. And that's not part of this course. I think we have enough concentrating on photography. Photography consists of different genres, different sorts of photography. You can work with reportage or shoot weddings, or try to shoot birds, or fashion, or landscape, or photo art, and so on and so on. And the list is longer than on the slide too. So think, improve and learn. I will be back sooner or later with Photography 101 here. So please subscribe and don't forget the pictures in the end, which is part of my presentation of myself. Thank you for watching and listening. Bye bye.